My parents bought a brand new Elddis Tornado caravan and we travelled all over the UK in that when I was a small child. And that's memories that we'll all have for a lifetime. It only felt natural that when we were looking for a family caravan we picked an Elddis too.
Elddis as a brand was set up in 1964, founded in the northeast. Over those 60 years, there's so many couples and families that have benefited from the Elddis vehicles and the Elddis brand.
Having a camper van, one of the main things is you can change your plans last minute. Do we go east, north, south or west?
It just gives us the freedom to go wherever the fancy takes us.
It's just meant that we can have a lot more adventures. We can just pack up, we can go where we want. It really is our home from home.
In 2017, Elddis were very proud to become part of Erwin Hymer Group. In 2019, we were even prouder to become part of the world's largest RV manufacturing organisation, Thor Industries.
For us as a brand, it means collaboration. It means that there's a huge amount of really cutting-edge technology now in our product development process.
The investment we've put into our facility has gone from our bond shop into our machine shop, and then also in our assembly area to ensure that we're lean, and also, importantly, training in our people.
We have invested a huge amount into plastic-based materials from our sidewalls to our patented halo technology. And it really provides a robust, reliable product that enables our customers to go that much further. All Elddis vehicles are bought through a national network of over 50 dealers. We really invest in our relationships with our dealers to provide them digital tools, training to make sure that they can really provide the best possible experience that allows the customer to make the right choice for them.
What I love the most is the space. It means that I don't have to worry about what I'm packing. I can have everything in there, and it means that our little girl is happy, she can play with the dog, and then we can still have our space to relax.
The caravan offers us so much confidence with its towing capabilities to just drive. And you watch your child in the back of the car and she's looking out the windows and taking those memories in. And the caravan has given us the opportunity to plan much further afield now than we ever would have before.
Much as I've roughed it over the years, I do like my camper van.
Our Elddis van has made it possible to travel anywhere we want. The decision just made midweek for what we're doing this weekend. Many more adventures to come in this van, and we'll be carefully thinking what's coming next.
With regards to the future, we've got to continue to provide the best possible vehicles to ensure that together we all go further.